A meal mix-up in Brighton Cafe.
Sorry, this is not my meal.
Oh, really? You did not order the chicken pasta?
No, I ordered the veggie pasta.
I see. My mistake. I will change it.
No problem, I can wait.
Would you like some bread? It is free.
Yes, please.
And something to drink? Just water?
Yes, still water, please.
I will bring it now.
Thank you.
Here is your water. The pasta needs about 10 minutes.
That's fine. I'm not in a hurry.
Is this your first time in our cafe?
Yes, I saw it online.
Are you here for holiday?
Yes, a short holiday in Brighton.
Then please try our apple crumble. It is very tasty.
Sounds nice. Maybe later.
Here is your veggie pasta, the correct one.
Great. It looks good.
Would you like some lemon on top?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Thanks.
I will bring the bill when you are ready.
All right.
The total is £8.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you. Have a lovely day in Brighton.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Asking someone to take a photo in London.
Hello. Excuse me. Can you take a photo of me?
Yes, of course. Here by Tower Bridge?
Yes, with the bridge behind me.
Sure. Landscape or portrait?
Landscape, please.
All right. Could you move a little to the right?
Like this?
Yes, perfect. But careful, someone is walking behind you.
Oh, thanks. Is it okay now?
Yes. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
How is it?
It is a bit dark.
Can we go over there in the sun?
Sure. Stand near the small cafe.
Here?
Yes, great. The light is better now.
I hope my eyes are open.
No problem. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you. Can you take one more from above?
Of course. 1, 2, done.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Are you here on holiday?
Yes, I arrived yesterday. I visited the museum.
Nice. Today only Tower Bridge?
No, later I will go to the market.
Try the fresh pastries there. Very good.
Thanks for the tip.
No problem. Want a photo at the entrance too?
Oh, that would be great.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Perfect. Thank you again.
My pleasure. Enjoy your time in London.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Bringing a dog into a cafe in Bristol.
Hello. Can I come in with my dog?
Is he friendly?
Yes, very calm. His name is Biscuit.
Oh, cute name. Can I see him?
Yes, he is in my bag.
Aw, he is adorable. So quiet.
Thank you. May I sit inside?
Yes, of course. The best place is by the window.
Great. I like the light there.
Today, we have quiche with coffee for £4.
Sounds nice. I will have tea instead.
No problem. So 1 quiche and a tea.
And for Biscuit?
I will bring water for him.
Oh, thank you. That's very kind.
Coming right up.
Thanks. Is the quiche big?
Yes, a good size, with egg and cheese.
Perfect.
Here you go. Quiche, tea, and water for Biscuit.
Thank you. It smells great.
Would you like some bread with it?
Yes, please.
Here you are. Biscuit is already drinking.
As long as he doesn't take your tea, everything is fine.
True. How's the quiche?
Very tasty.
Good. Would you like some cake, too?
No, thank you. I'm full.
All good? I'll bring the bill.
Okay,
It's £4.
here you go. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. And thank you, Biscuit.
Thank you. Have a lovely day.
Thanks. You too. Bye.
Asking for a napkin?
Hello. Excuse me. My shirt is wet.
Oh, did the fountain splash you?
Yes, I stood too close.
It happens. Do you need a tissue?
Yes, please.
One moment. I have some in my bag.
Thank you very much.
Here you are. Take two.
Great. This helps a lot.
Would you like a small tip?
Yes, of course.
There is a cafe just over there with a toilet.
Is it far?
No, only 2 minutes on foot.
Perfect. Is it expensive?
No, a coffee is about £2.
Good. I will go there.
Are you visiting London?
Yes, I arrived yesterday.
Then you should see St. Paul's Cathedral.
I plan to go this afternoon.
Good time. It is usually quieter.
Thanks for the tip.
Do you want more tissues?
No, thank you.
I also have a cloth handkerchief if you want.
Oh, that is better. Thank you.
Please keep it.
That is very kind of you.
No problem.
Enjoy your day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Music in the London cab.
Good morning. To Victoria Station, please.
All right, about 20 minutes from here.
Excuse me, could you turn down the music a bit?
Oh, certainly. No problem. My apologies.
Thanks. I need to make a quick call.
Of course, it's quieter now.
Great, thank you.
Is this your first time in London?
No, I've been here before, last year.
Oh, just a short visit?
Yes, only for a weekend. This time I'm staying for a few days.
Wonderful. Did you visit the British Museum?
Yes, yesterday. I really enjoyed the museum.
It's even better when it's sunny outside.
I think so too. Have you been driving long?
Yes, for 15 years now.
Then you must know the whole city very well.
Almost everything, and definitely all the traffic jams.
Today seems to have a lot of traffic too.
Yes, it's rush hour. It's 5 p.m. now.
Will I make my train at 6 p.m.?
No worries. I know a shortcut.
That's great, thank you.
Do you like listening to music in the car?
Yes, but something a bit calmer.
Understood. I'll put on something relaxing.
Perfect, this is nice.
Turning right here. We're almost at the station.
Oh, already? That was fast.
That'll be £18, please.
Here's £20, keep the change.
Thank you very much. That's kind.
You too, have a good evening.
Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.
Bye.
At the ticket machine.
Hi. Excuse me. Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I don't understand this ticket machine.
No problem. Where do you want to go?
To Manchester this afternoon.
Okay. First, touch Buy Tickets.
Okay, done.
Now, select Manchester Piccadilly.
Yes, I see it. And the time?
Click Depart and choose 4:30 p.m.
Perfect.
Single or return ticket?
Just a single, please.
All right, that is £55.
Can I pay with a card?
Yes, insert it here.
And the PIN code?
Type it on the keypad.
Finished.
Great. Wait a second. Here is your ticket.
Ah, there it is. Look, Coach C, seat 42.
Yes, exactly. Be at the platform 15 minutes early.
Good, thanks. Where is the platform for Manchester?
Over there. Follow the blue signs.
Thanks.
Is it your first time in Manchester? No, I live there, actually. Oh, really? Then go to the northern quarter and try fish and chips. Oh, yes. Is that expensive? No. In a pub, it costs about £15. Perfect. Thanks for the tip. You're welcome. Have a good trip. Thanks for helping with the machine. No problem. Have a nice day.
Getting lost during a city tour.
Hi. Excuse me. Can you help me?
Yes, of course. What happened?
I'm on a city tour and I lost my group.
Oh, no. Where were you last?
In a big room with many paintings.
Do you mean the gallery hall in the museum?
Yes, I think so.
Do you know the guide?
Yes, his name is Martin, and he wears a red t-shirt.
I saw him. He walked towards Trafalgar Square.
Is that far from here?
No, only 5 minutes on foot.
Great. How do I get there?
Go straight, then turn left and cross the small bridge.
All right, thank you.
Shall I come with you?
Yes, please, if that is possible.
No problem. I have time.
It's really easy to get lost here.
Yes, there are many streets and a lot of people.
I took some pictures and then lost the group.
I know that feeling. It happens often.
Are you from London?
Yes, I've lived here since childhood.
Nice. I think London is beautiful.
Yes, there is always something to see.
Oh, look, there is my group.
Yes, and there's your guide in the red t-shirt.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy the rest of your tour.
Thanks. Have a lovely day.
You too. Bye.
Tasting fruit at the market.
Good morning. These strawberries look amazing.
They are very fresh, picked this morning from a farm nearby.
May I try one?
Of course, please go ahead.
Wow, delicious. Very sweet.
Yes, it's the best season for them.
How much is one box?
£3 for a box.
Great. I'll take one.
Would you like to try the blueberries too?
Can I?
Sure, here you are.
Oh, they taste really good as well.
They come from Kent, very popular today.
How much for a small box?
£2.50.
All right, I'll take one box too.
Anything else?
Yes, that mango looks nice.
Want to taste it?
Really? Yes, please.
Here you go.
Wow, it's fantastic. So soft and sweet.
It's £4 a kilo.
Okay, I'll take one mango.
Do you live here in Brighton?
No, I'm here for 1 week on holiday.
Then you must try the local apples too.
Maybe tomorrow. How much is everything today?
That makes £9.50.
Here is £10.
Thank you. Enjoy the fruit.
Thanks. Have a lovely day.
You too.
The price is different.
Hello. I'd like to buy this shirt.
Sure, but the system shows it costs £20.
Oh, but the sign said £15.
Really? That is strange.
Yes, I took it from the shelf with the £15 label.
May I see the tag on the shirt?
Yes, here you go.
Yes, the tag also shows £15. Let me check the computer.
Thank you.
One moment. Yes, you are right. The price is £15.
Great, then I'll take it.
Would you like a matching belt? It's half price today.
No thanks, just the shirt.
No problem. Card or cash?
Card, please.
Please insert it here.
Done.
Perfect. Here is your receipt.
Thanks. Can I return it if it doesn't fit?
Yes, you have 30 days.
Good to know. Are there other colors of this shirt?
Yes, we have blue and gray as well.
Maybe I'll come back later.
We close at 8 tonight.
Okay, thanks for the help.
Finding a quiet place to sleep.
Hello, excuse me. I'm staying in room 112, and it's very noisy tonight.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Is it street noise or music?
I think it's loud music from a pub nearby.
Yes, the pub has live music every Saturday. It can be quite loud.
I couldn't sleep at all. Could I please change my room?
Of course. Let me check what we have available.
Thank you very much.
We have room 221. It's quiet, but it has no sea view.
That's okay. I prefer a quiet room.
Room 221 is also close to the lift.
That's fine for me. I don't mind.
Would you like someone to help you with your luggage?
No, thank you. I only have a small suitcase.
All right, here is your new key card.
Great. My booking is still until Monday, right?
Yes, your stay is confirmed until Monday morning.
Is there a coffee machine in the new room?
Yes, there is a small one on the desk.
Perfect. And please, can I have room cleaning in the afternoon?
No problem. I'll write it down.
Is the lift very loud from that room?
You can hear it a bit, but it's much quieter than the music.
Then it's perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I wish you a comfortable stay.